Hey gang, we're here for another exciting, fabulous unboxing video of Hungry Harvest. Yay! And today is Saturday, July 6, 2019. And we have here the Organic Harvest with some awesome things added to it. Thanks to my wonderful friend Carl who gave me this beautiful corsage for July 4th. So, inside, look at this! Oh my gosh! Heirloom carrots! Every box is a wonderful mystery, isn't it? So this is an add-on item, and I think it was like something preposterously cheap, like $1.99 or something like that. A whole bunch of colored carrots. Yeah, cool. What else do we have? We have some squash. Cool, summer squash. Yay! What in the name? What's this? Organic rainbow chard. Cool. Look at this. So colorful. Quality throughout. Really awesome. What else is in here? Ooh, another summer squash. Big organic cucumber. Oh. What are these? Are these apricots? Very cool. Little apricots. Here's a bag of mystery potatoes. Little tiny potatoes. They're almost like baby gold potatoes. Very tiny ones. Whoa. What's this? See, the organic box gives you fruits and vegetables. We have here blueberries, a pack of blueberries. Really awesome. Whoa. Another squash. There's 4 squash. We have here also, ooh, nice apples here. We've got 6 of them. So cool. What do you think, Em? Do you like apples?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
More apples.
2 apples. Yep. We have 6 apples total. What's this? Whoa, it's an onion thing. Yes, big onion for 79 cents. Cool. It's another add-on item. And last but not least, we always get this every time we get a Hungry Harvest, these wonderful Sauter's cage-free eggs. Yay! And I think that's it. There's an ice pack in here. A reusable ice pack. Yeah. So, what are one of the things we love about these eggs, B?
They have double yolks.
Some of them have double yolks in them. So, just recently, we got a dozen eggs that did not have the double yolks, but in the past we've had eggs with double yolks in them. Almost every egg had double yolks in them, which means more eggs for your omelets. Yeah. So imagine your 12 eggs multiplied by 2, 24, the equivalent of 24 eggs in a dozen egg box. So cool. So yeah, every couple of weeks, you can get this Hungry Harvest box. You can even schedule it every 4 weeks if you like. But for as low as $15, you can get a box of vegetables, fruits and vegetables, delivered to your house. Now, these are slightly blemished. These are overstocked things, overrun things, things that might have like a little bit of like a brown spot on them, things that are not cosmetically perfect. But you know what? They're still fruits and vegetables. They're still awesomely delicious. So why would you want to just throw this stuff out, right? So that's what stores do. They just throw this stuff out. And what Hungry Harvest does is they buy all of these fruits and vegetables for pennies on the dollar. And then they pass their savings on to you, to us, the consumer. So awesome. Yeah, so here we're saving the vegetables. Save the vegetables. That's my big motto. Yeah. So make sure you save your vegetables. We're doing good for the environment. That ensures that this stuff doesn't just get thrown in the garbage, in a landfill. So yeah, if you like this video, just slam the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and watch every Hungry Harvest unboxing video that comes out. Yeah, cool. If you'd like to get your own Hungry Harvest box, you can get it for a special discount with my discount code, ClaireDin. Yes, CLAREDIN. And with this you get $5 off your first box. Unreal. Awesome. It helps you, it helps me. So awesome. So yeah, get your fruits and vegetables. It's so good. Yummy, yummy in your tummies. So until next time, everybody, see you, everybody. Bye.
No, it's fine, I think.
I think it's fine. You're like, what the hell? You're crazy.
Bloopers.
I should have pointed at Matthew. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. All these vegetables.
Yeah.